Hello viewers, today we will show you 870 heat plate sold by India Enterprises. It's a very useful product for preheating of multi-layered PCBs and for other preheating application as well. So we will show you how to unbox this product and what parts are supplied along with this heat plate. So let's start and open the box first. You will get a instruction manual inside this packing. Then we will take out the main unit as well. It is supplied in a secure packing to avoid any mishandling and breakage. You need to remove this polythene cover from the main unit. You need to take out this foam sheet as well from this top cover. It is actually kept here to just keep the product safe. So this is how the unit looks. We will explain the functionality of this 870 hot plate. This hot plate is very useful to prevent these expensive ICs from thermal shock down, and it is also used for various solder application. So we will give you the complete details of this hot plate. So let's start. And first we need to check this. If this heat plate is not switching on, then we need to check the fuse, whether the fuse is defective or not. Then we can use a star head screwdriver to open the fuse holder and take out this fuse holder from the fuse socket. We can check the continuity of the fuse with the help of a multimeter. If the continuity is okay, then we need to just put the fuse back in the fuse holder and insert it in the fuse socket. Next thing is the switching on. We need to connect this power cord to the external power source. It is operated on 230 volt AC 50 hertz power supply. Now we will switch this unit on using this on off switch. Then we will set the desired temperature according to our choice or our job application. This push buttons on the this main menu manual. Now these push buttons available on the front panel are used for increasing or decreasing the temperature. We can use this up button for increasing the temperature and vice versa. Rapid temperature change can also be used by using this star button. If we press the star button for 1 or 2 seconds, then we can immediately change the temperature. Suppose if we want to increase the temperature rapidly, we can use this feature. Else we can use a normal up down button for increasing or decreasing the temperature. Next thing is a cool and warm function. See, if we use this switch this is used for switching the heat on and off. If we just position it to the warm side, then the heat plate will start heating, and if we switch this unit off or at the cool position, then the heating will be off, and the temperature will start decreasing. This temperature ranges from 50 degree centigrade to 300 degree centigrade. We will show you the minimum temperature by pressing this down button, and we can use this up button for increasing the temperature. We can use star button as well for rapid temperature change. Now we can see that the lowest temperature is 50 degree and the highest temperature is 300 degree centigrade. Now this top cover has a very useful feature. It can be used as a reflow oven as well to cover the object and in this case effective heating is applied on the object. So we can remove this top cover as well. Then we can place this object on this aluminium plate, and when the set heat is achieved, then the object is heated from bottom, and we can use this heat plate for reworking, soldering and other applications. Now we will check the temperature on this aluminium surface, whether the set temperature is achieved on the top of this plate, and check the gradients of temperature as well. Now we will verify whether the set temperature and actual temperature on the heat plate is same or not. We will use an external calibrator or thermometer to verify this fact. Now we can see the set temperature is 120 degree and actual temperature we will measure. Now we can see the actual temperature on this heat plate is 119 degree. It means both the set temperature and actual temperature are same, so we can easily achieve the set temperature. We will also verify this actual temperature on the other side of heat plate. You see the set temperature is same 120 degree, and actual temperature is also same on the other side of aluminium plate as well. So the gradients is wonderful, and we can the temperature on this heat plate is uniform. This is very useful product, as I already told you. You can use it without any doubt. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you have liked it.